Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a real MetaTrader 5 account and not a demo one. Before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So I have now here my Solvestorm demo account here on my MetaTrader 5. So to create a real one, there's not actually any button here, but what you want to do is click either on chat and messages right there, or you can go ahead to traders community. But I'm just gonna click chat and messages, and now you will see at the top register and sign in button. If you don't have a MetaTrader real account, you're gonna click register. And from here, as you can see, now you're gonna create your login email and you're gonna click register and continue with all of this. And that's basically it. That's how where you create your new account on MetaTrader 5. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.